Sliver presence. Incorporate to dissolve system. So, we decided to start a business. Have you registered the business as a legal entity? Are you aware of the ongoing activities to maintain the status of your corporation? Have you created a business plan? Sliver Business Services offers small businesses the incorporate to dissolve system. This system will guide you through one-time incorporation to ongoing maintenance of its status till you decide to dissolve or sell off your business. The incorporation activities include creating a legal entity, applying for E.I.N, getting a business license in your state, establishing business banking. The ongoing maintenance of the business entity includes organizing annual and quarterly meeting, submitting annual report with the state, paying franchise tax, keeping a registered agent, renewing trademarks and DBA status, discussing with the tax and legal consultants any modifications to the entity type. We, Sliver Business Services, provide platform, process, and people to help small businesses with calendar to set reminders for important dates, cloud-based storage to store your company information secure, an automated accounting software integrated with CRM, payment system, invoicing system, so the owner can manage the legalese and keep the business viable. To learn more about Incorporate to Dissolve process, check out our website www.sliverbusinessservices.com. You may also contact us at info@sliverbusinessservices.com or 331-888-2627 for more information.